Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the ASUS portable monitor USB-C not working, DP, alt mode, cable, power and driver fix. So the fixed one, you can check the USB-C cable. Unplug the USB-C cable from both the monitor and your laptop. Check if the cable is damaged or loose. Then make sure you are using the original USB-C cable or a full featured USB-C cable. Then try another USB-C cable if possible. The fixed 2, you can check if your USB-C cable port support display. So check your laptop specification online. Make sure the USB-C port support display port, alt mode or Thunderbolt. If it does not support display, use HDMI instead, if your monitor has it. Fix 3, you can restart both devices. Turn off your portable monitor. Restart your laptop or PC. Turn the monitor back on and reconnect the USB-C cable. The fix 4, you can select the correct input source. Press the menu button on the monitor, then go to input select and choose the USB-C manually. Goodbye.